My good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. We don't call your screen, we don't call your domot with another breaking news, with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside the nation Nigeria. The cocoa now be say one countryman wey dey go by the name Usman Ododo, and he na the governor of Kogi State. The kind joy wey full in belle no be small one o. This man just dey celebrate because say im predecessor don return. Oga Yahaya Bello has been released from Kogi Correctional Facility, and they release am on Friday, maybe the 20th day of December for this year 2024. My good people, mo no forget say the former governor of Kogi State wey be Yahaya Bello, so im dey face criminal charges wey the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission sama on top am. Oga Bello is being accused of money laundering, corruption and 80 billion naira fraud charges allegedly to have been committed during his tenure as the governor of Kogi State. After the hide and seek wey Oga Bello and the anti-graft agency wey be EFCC bin dey do, last they come arraign Oga Yahaya Bello before a court wey dey for inside Abuja, wey be the capital city of this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. But last court come grant Oga Yahaya Bello bail at the sum of 500 million naira and sureties in the like sum. But before Oga Yahaya Bello go meet the bail conditions, court sama orders make dem remand am for inside Kuje prison. And no be lie, my good people, when Oga Bello be dey inside court dey kwata in kwata, several videos burst out for inside social media, and for inside those videos you go see Oga Yahaya Bello go just dey smile as if nothing dey happen. You go see am go just dey shake hands with some of im associates dem and family members for inside court. Some go dey hail some lawyers dem. The man just dey do the calms like say no case at all. Now he don fulfill the bail conditions. The governor of Kogi State wey be Usman Ododo, he dey happy no be small. This man just dey jubilate because say Oga Yahaya Bello don comot from Kogi Correctional Facility. Anyhow this matter be you for body, my good people, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. If you feel as if justice has been served, or if you feel as if they dey let this man go easy, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. Meanwhile, I still get another legit intel wey dey my table like this one I need share give the general public, and the koko be say court don grant the human rights lawyer wey dey go by the name Dele Farotimi 30 million naira bail for im alleged defamation case with Afe Babalola. The magistrate court for inside Ekiti now come dey ask Oga Farotimi to make him provide 3 sureties wey get landed property for the southwest state. The court come still dey yarn am say make him avoid media interview, and they come still ask am to submit im international passport. The last they come adjourn Oga Farotimi case to the 13th day of February for inside the year 2025. No be small matter like this, so my good people. And like this now, Oga Farotimi don spend over 2 weeks for the correctional center for inside Ado Ekiti, where authorities will dey keep am sake of this very particular matter. And now with prison van with police escorts, now dem take carry Oga Farotimi come court on Friday. And as Baba come down from the police van, he come feel the need to raise him hand up to greet the crowd wey gather outside. And you see this in bail, my good people, e dey come after the magistrate wey be Abayomi Adeosun last sitting bin reserve ruling until the 20th day of December. During the court proceedings now, Oga Farotimi come dey plead not guilty to the 14-count charge against am by the police. Im lawyer wey dey go by the name Adeyinka Olumide Fusika, he come dey ask the court to make him strike out the charges dem. And according to am, the charge before the court dey unknown to law, and the offence of defamation no dey recognized under the criminal law of Ekiti State 2021. And no be lie, my good people, the arrest of Oga Farotimi e don make many country people now don dey call for immediate release. Dem too dey fear as if wetin dey sup no make sense at all. Even opposition leaders sef, men like the former vice president wey be Atiku Abubakar, men like Peter Obi, men like Omoyele Sowore, na some of the ogbonge men like this wey don chook mouth on top the matter, and dem dey hala dey give authorities make dem for release Oga Farotimi. Now, without wasting much of your time, my good people, make I gist you about the genesis, make I yarn you how this matter dey start. You know say this countryman wey dey go by the name Dele Farotimi, him bin write one book like that, and he come even publish am for inside the month of November for inside the year 2024. And this very particular book, e get hard copies and e get e-versions. This book dey go by the name Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System. Some details now from inside this book come dey talk about one land case like that wey happen for inside Etiosa local government area of Lagos State, where the Afe Babalola lawyers represent their clients and they come win the case. And no be only that one o. The book also get many other tori of court cases where e dey feel say the judiciary no handle am well. Oga Dele Farotimi na lawyer na im be, and he na public speaker, and he na the author of this very particular book. Dem call am to the Nigerian bar for inside the year 1999 until he come retire for inside the year 2018 after years of legal service. And he na activist, and he begin to dey ginger for better Nigeria since im undergraduate days for inside Lagos State University. Na there he come later become president of their student union between the year 1994 and 1995. Since then, Oga Farotimi don dey become activist wey dey talk about bad governance, and he dey advocate for good leadership for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. So now, sake of say the book wey Oga Dele Farotimi write no sweet am for belle at all, Oga Afe Babalola come go write 31-page petition to the police where he come dey accuse Oga Farotimi of alleged defamation and intent to cause fear and to alarm the public or disturb public peace. Acting on the petition now, police come go arrest the activist for inside Lagos. They come carry am go Ekiti State where they come charge am to court. And the documents dey list 16 count charges against Oga Dele Farotimi. The court paper sef dey show say this case na between the Commissioner of Police and Oga Dele Farotimi. And count 1 of the charges dey read say Oga Farotimi write book wey entitled Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System, and he come use the book now to dey sama accusation on Chief Afe Babalola head, saying dey corrupt and he dey use Supreme Court to take procure fraudulent judgment for him client dem. The document dey claim say the writer know say wetin him write inside the book na lie, but him go ahead go dey write am in order to destroy the name and reputation of the ogbonge lawyer. Then another of the charge dey yarn say the author use the book push false allegation wey go injure the senior advocate's reputation, and e go come cause hatred, go come cause contempt, go come ridicule and damage im profession. Then count 5 of the charges dey yarn say the writer allegedly criminally defame the person of Chief Afe Babalola by accusing am say im corrupt the Supreme Court to collect better judgment from im client. The court papers also dey accuse Oga Farotimi say im defame and expose to hatred, contempt and ridicule office of Afe Babalola Law Chambers plus im lawyers wey include Olu and Daramola Olufaru. According to the court papers, good people, the writer allegedly commits offence against section 373 of the Criminal Code Act, and im dey liable to punishment under section 375 of the same act. This good people na the genesis of the court case, na the genesis of the kwata between Oga Dele Farotimi and Oga Afe Babalola. Anyhow the matter be you for body, my good people, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey like give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this our channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey come with the news, na you go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp. I dey come your side again with another legit intel for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.